There is some moments in life that if you told someone without proof, they simply would never believe it. A completely not normal moment at a motorsport event happened when the BMW M4 hood went up, completely blocking the driver's view. We didn't stop the driver to try finishing the race, and well, his whole team was having a laugh because how ridiculous the situation looked.
Bonnet up, and the team are just standing there as you would.
When some golfers were invited to try out a golf simulator, they were quick to realize maybe the simulator wasn't too great for professional players because the ball went right through the netting and straight through the TV too. Despite what some games would make you believe, light posts on the streets are actually pretty strong. A very scary close call happened when a woman was saved by a light post from a car that lost control heading towards her. Luckily, no one suffered any injuries. Usually, drones for professional events can cost anywhere between $2,000 or even tens of thousands of dollars. A pretty sad moment at a rally race happened when one of the cars managed to hit a drone. All That Skate is a figure skating show based in South Korea in which skaters show off their skills by doing a choreography, and these are extremely well planned and thought out and require thousands of hours to practice. An insurance scam is basically when someone pretends to get hit in order to attempt to get some money for alleged damages, and well, a good prevention for these types of scams are dash cams. Here is a biker trying to make it seem as the lady behind him hit his bike. Indoor climbing is a great full body workout in which strength plays a big role. An amazing moment to watch was climber Alison West making a dyno which uses the body's momentum to get to the next stroke. What seemed to be a normal and uneventful dashcam footage suddenly took a turn when the two cars in front started to look like something taken from the Transformers movie. An unbelievable moment at a golf tournament happened when Jon Rahm managed to make a hole-in-one by using the lake to bounce the ball. During a normal Saturday night, the city of Seoul decided to promote mask wearing by hiring 300 drones to create images on the sky, incentivizing people to wear masks in an effort to contain the spread of the virus, and the images the drones were able to create were extremely impressive. During a rally race in France, Norwegian driver Petter Solberg wasn't able to fully complete the turn and went through the crops in the side of the road, and that's when he completely lost control of the car. Luckily, no one was injured. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.